So today we've got a 2021 limited Ford F150 Super Crew power boost. This truck's riding on all-terrain Toyo all-terrain tires, spray and bed liner, LED light, tailgate with step, parking assist. This truck was just traded in on a fresh new F450 dually. This is one of our local customers, as well as one of our real estate agents that we work with quite regularly, and he's been getting vehicles from us since, if I remember right, I think he got his first truck at 16 from us. So really good, loyal, repeat customer. He bought this F150 during COVID. Figured out real quickly he wanted something bigger again. He came out of a Super Duty when he got this, which we purchased. This truck's got 18,000 miles now. Power steps, two-tone, diamond stitched interior.
I'm gonna put these on your desk.
Full panoramic sunroof. Large display screen, I think that's a 12-inch. Everything digital, even got the fold down shifter. That's the 55662 is the build number for this truck. Limited edition, of course. Drive mode, trailer brake control, power inverter. No faults or flaws to this truck. We do not sell a lot of F-150 trucks any longer. We try to stick to the heavy duties and the diesels. We do have this truck pre-sold to another dealer for the exact price we have it posted for. Yes, another dealer will buy this truck for exactly what we have it posted for. They will put it on their lot. They will make additional money. So, that being said, if you're looking for a deal, this truck is considerably under book value. Why are we selling it like this? Because we'd rather sell it to a customer than to another dealer. Not that we're not friendly to other dealers. We sell to other dealers every day. We had 2 dealers buy from us yesterday. But if a customer can get it for a better price, we'd love to see that happen. Whether they're existing customer or new customer. We can ship this truck anywhere you want it to go. It is real. It is here. It is in stock. It's getting a fresh inspection on it in the next hour. Service has just been done. Loaded, limited F-150 Super Crew. If you need anything further about this truck, of course, it doesn't have any rust. The undercarriage is clean. But we'll be happy to get it for you. Photos are on the website already, davisautosales.com or davis4x4.com. Is there anything else that you're looking for, let us know. Or if that doesn't suit your fancy and you want its big brother, there's a 2022 Platinum with 1,000 miles. F350. We did the lift wheels and tires a couple hundred miles ago. That truck is also in stock, ready to go. Give us a call. Check out all the inventory. Click and subscribe. Follow the channel. Should have a couple more videos posting soon.